Okay, so this is my Galaxy Z Fold 4 and this is the Ringke or Ringke, I don't know how to pronounce this name, Ringke tempered glass for the cover display of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now, the reason why I got this is because I already got a hydrogel, but I never like hydrogel because they never last long and tempered glass will last a lot longer. We do have a video talking about different types of screen protectors, so you can check it out at the top right corner there. So let's open this up and see how it is. So originally I was going to get the Spigen screen protector, but unfortunately it ran out of stock, so I had to buy something else. So I found this for a pretty good price, so might as well just try this, right? And opening up, we can see the contents are fairly simple. So we got one whole pouch of accessories, and then here we have the tempered glass itself. And the tempered glass, I'm not sure if it fits the Spigen case because they didn't come with an aligning tool. Let's just put it on top. I'm using the Spigen Slim Armor Pro and wow, it actually fits in really well. So I just might as well use the case as the guide for the screen protector during installation. So I'm just gonna put this aside for now and take a look at the pack of accessories included. Okay, so we have, I think this is a squeegee, and then this is the lens wipes, whatever, some stickers for guides I suppose, and these are more alignment guides, microfiber cloth, and here's the installation guide. So installation is pretty simple. It tells you to clean the screen, stick the alignment stickers on the screen protector, and then stick it to the phone, and then gently press on it and remove the stickers. The back here is the same, it's just written in multiple different Asian languages. So installation is pretty simple, but before we begin, I need to take out my Spigen Slim Armor Pro and also to take out the hydrogel screen protector. So give me a moment. Okay, so I got the case off and now it is time to remove the screen protector. Unfortunately, it has already been ripped out by the case adhesive, so this is a simple job. I'm gonna stick out some of the dust first. Okay, and now it's time to reapply the case. Again, I'm gonna use this screen protector, this case as the alignment for the screen protector, which is not how you're supposed to do it. But since Ringke didn't include a guide like what Spigen does, then yeah, too bad, and Spigen doesn't have any stock for it, so yeah, this is what we're dealing with. Okay, so now it is stuck back in there. Again, the screen protector will go directly on top and aligned using the case because it fits perfectly for some reason. So I'm just gonna clean the glass once more. I'm just gonna use their clean wipes, which is a huge piece of wipe for whatever reason. Again, I'm not complaining. It's better if they provide, better than not providing these kind of wipes because it doesn't cost much anyway, just a few cents to include in the package. Will save us a lot of trouble trying to get our own cleaning supplies. So I'm just gonna wipe it real quick. Okay, looks good to me. And now we're gonna look for dust. And I don't think... Oh, those are dust stickers. Those white things are dust stickers. This one. Okay, I'm gonna use them in a while. Let me just inspect. Speck of dust. I'm gonna use it. Okay, so it looks clean to me. I'm just gonna take the screen protector. I'm gonna go reverse because it seems to align better that way. I'm gonna double check once more, no dust there. Rip it out and then align it at the bottom here. What the heck is that? Okay, so now I got the screen protector installed. Get the squeegee, scrape it a bit, And there we go, there's still a bit of bubble left which I will deal with in a while. The tempered glass do feel amazing to touch, and I really like tempered glass over hydrogel because, you know, hydrogel, they tend to get sticky, or even if your hand has some moisture then it will not work. And yeah, tempered glass feels good. And for the money that I paid for this Ringke screen protector, I would say it's fairly okay, but I would still suggest you to get the Spigen version because that applicator device thing is very useful. And especially if you don't have a case, then yes, the Spigen one is just amazing in terms of aligning the screen protector perfectly during your application. So yeah, that's it. This is a real short video, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.